Okay, today I am going to show you how to play the second part of the song Can't Help Falling in Love. And the first thing that we are going to do is focus on the left hand. Okay, so the first note that you are going to see in here is C. This C. Look, this is Do central. So actually the note that you are going to be playing is here, right here. So I'm gonna move my, there you go. So this is the first note, C. The next note is this one in here, Fa sostenido. As you can see, you play it in the black key right here. Then C again, Fa sostenido, C again, Fa sostenido. This one is C. Then you move up to Mi, which is here, and then La, and then Re. Okay, don't forget that when you play these notes, you have to count 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fa sostenido, 4, 5, 6. Si, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fa sostenido, 4, 5, 6. Si, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fa sostenido. And then Si, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. La, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Re. Now, that was the left hand, and now we are going to see the right hand. As you can see, you have chords in here. So the bottom note is C, then Re, and then Fa sostenido, which you play right here. C, Re, Fa sostenido. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you move to this chord, which is, you were playing here, Si, Re, Fa. You leave the Fa as it is, and then you move the finger of Re to this black key in here, which is going to be Do sostenido, and the finger of Si, you move it to the black key near to it, which is La sostenido. And you play that 3 times. So look, Si, and then Fa sostenido. Si, Fa sostenido, Si, Fa sostenido. 3 times. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Third time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you move back to C, Si, Re, Fa. Times, and then what you do in this chord in here, which is Mi 7th, what you do is you leave Si and Re as they are, and then you move towards the middle black key here, which is Sol sostenido. Okay, and then you move towards La menor. So you're gonna move the whole thing, all your hand. This finger, the middle finger, goes to Mi. The first finger goes to Do, and this one goes to La. Do, Mi, La. Okay? And then the next chord is going to be Re, which is Re, Fa, y La. So the whole thing would be like this. Acorde de Si, acorde de Fa sostenido. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. This is the third time. 2, 3, 3, through the Mi. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Mi, La menor, and then Re. And then from here until here, what you do, let me move this a little bit up, right here, right there. So from here, from this measuring here until measure number 44, which is the first box, you play exactly what you play in the first part of the song. Remember? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Be careful here. Sol, fa, then 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mi menor, then do. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, when you get to this point, box number 1, right here, you have to go back again to C minor. You have to repeat it. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the third time. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C, mi, la menor, and re. And then one more time, you do the whole thing, but in this second time, instead of playing box number 1, you go to box number 2. So you go 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Be careful here. Sol, fa, and then do mayor, re mayor, mi menor, do mayor, 41, sol, sorry, and then box number 2. Here goes, box number 2, and then repeat. Look, I am playing here, this part in here, which is the do mayor chord, do. The next chord is going to be re, which is re on the bottom, la, re, fa on the top. The next chord is going to be el acorde de mi menor, which is mi, and then si, mi, is sol. Okay, and then the next chord is going to be do. I'm going to move this up. This is do. Do on the bottom, do, mi, sol on the top. And then this next chord is going to be the chord of sol mayor, which is re on the bottom, si, re, sol. 1, 2, you repeat that twice. And now you are going to do here acorde de re séptima, which is going to be re here, and then on the bottom would be, on the top would be la, re, sol. This is re suspended, and the next chord, which is this one in here, is gonna be re séptima, like that. And then this one in here. Be careful with the bottom part, because it's gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the top, you would have to play si, re, sol. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then acorde de do, do, mi, sol. This is the first time, the first part of the chord, which is this one in here. And the next one, you see that you have a flat in the mi. That means that this finger, which is mi, you're gonna move it here. Okay, so it will be the first do normal, and then do bemol, And then the last 3 chords are going to be Sol, which is. And that's how you play the second part of the song. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Okay, all right, have a nice one.